Hey guys, today I will show you how to reset Dota 2 settings. This helps if your game won't launch properly, controls feel broken, or settings are messed up after updates. First, close Dota 2 completely. Go to your library and right-click Dota 2. Click Properties, then General. In Launch Options, type -autoconfig. Launch the game once. Dota 2 will reset video, audio, and control settings to default. After the game loads, remove autoconfig so your settings don't reset every time. Quick tip, use this method if you can't access settings in-game due to resolution or input issues. And that's how to reset Dota 2 settings. Thank you so much for watching.